Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a premium build made for true motorsport and LEGO fans, the LEGO Technic Ferrari SF-24 F1 model car kit. If you love Formula 1, Ferrari heritage, or detailed engineering builds, this set is designed exactly for you. This is not a toy-style LEGO set. This is a serious, adult-focused Technic model that captures the spirit of Ferrari's modern Formula 1 car with impressive realism. From the moment you open the box, you'll notice the attention to detail, authentic proportions, aerodynamic bodywork, and mechanical elements that mirror real F1 engineering. As you build, you'll experience advanced Technic functions that make this model feel alive. The suspension system reflects real race car dynamics, the steering mechanism responds smoothly, and the intricate construction gives you a deep appreciation for how modern F1 cars are engineered. This is the kind of build that slows you down in a good way, letting you enjoy every step. Once completed, the Ferrari SF-24 becomes a stunning display piece. It looks incredible on a desk, shelf, or in a home office setup, instantly adding a premium motorsport aesthetic. Whether you're a Ferrari fan, a Formula 1 follower, or someone who enjoys challenging LEGO builds, this model delivers both satisfaction and visual impact. It also makes a perfect Christmas or special occasion gift for adults who appreciate design, engineering, and racing culture. This is one of those sets you'll be proud to build and even prouder to display. If you want to combine relaxation, creativity, and Ferrari racing passion into one experience, this LEGO Technic Ferrari SF-24 is absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more premium tech and collectible reviews. Check the link below to buy it on Amazon and support the channel. Thanks for watching.